Hey traders, in this video we are looking at the Advanced Get Oscillator for MT4. This momentum histogram is based on the difference between two moving averages and is widely used in Elliott Wave analysis to help qualify wave counts and spot strong impulsive phases. In this video, you see how the histogram is displayed, how it behaves around the zero line and breakout bands, and which core settings you can work with. At this point, I'll go ahead to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow TLL imports. And here we have it. In the chart sub window, the Advanced Get Oscillator plots a histogram that oscillates around 0 with bars growing taller as the difference between the two moving averages widens. In Elliott Wave terms, a strong wave tree is typically associated with a powerful surge in the histogram above or below the breakout bands, while a pullback towards the zero line often helps mark wave 4 before a final push. Outside of detailed wave labeling, you can simply read rising positive bars as strengthening bullish momentum and deepening negative bars as strengthening bearish momentum. Then watch how they fade back towards 0 as moves lose energy. For the settings, standard configurations use a 5-period moving averages, 5-period moving average against a 35-period moving average for general wave and momentum analysis, with options to switch to 517 or 1070 combinations for extended or longer term views. Breakout band settings define how far above or below the baseline this band sits, helping you visually qualify when momentum is strong enough to support a wave 3 style move versus weaker corrective phases. Visual options control histogram color and style, plus the appearance of the breakout bands, allowing you to integrate the oscillator smoothly with your MT4 chart theme. As for who it's for, the Advanced Get Oscillator is ideal for traders who use Elliott Wave concepts or who want a structured way to judge momentum surges and corrections using histogram behavior. It is a visual analysis tool only, does not execute trades, and like all moving average based oscillators, it is derived from past prices, can lag, and must be combined with broader structure, price action, and risk management. You can download the Advanced Get Oscillator for MT4 using the link in the description below. It provides a clear histogram view for gauging impulsive and corrective phases, whether you are doing full Elliott wave counts or simply reading momentum. If you like wave aware and momentum driven tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more tutorials.